Hello. How's it going? Playing around with the bot on YouTube. It wasn't working before and I couldn't figure out why. And I realized apparently at some point I had set my chat to be subscriber only. I don't remember doing that. So, it couldn't talk because the bot is not a subscriber. So, who knew? Anyways. Alright, let's get into it. Oop. Hey, that worked. So... Oh, it popped up on the wrong screen. Oh no, my files are gone. Where'd my files go? Don't have any files. Where'd they go? I want to make this look better. I also kind of don't want it to be full screen. I don't know. I might play around with it. But I'm going to look at... I know that there are example balloons on the... on the GitHub. I'm just wondering if those examples came in. We have the default example balloon right here, but I want the other examples that they have. I think I have to go to the website for that. Let's go to the asset lib. Asset lib. Dialog manager. Few files. Oh, hello. Popped up over here. Examples. C# balloon. I don't need to worry about C#. Lion? What is this? I don't know what that does. I should probably read the README. Example balloons. Oh. This also shows using a low-res balloon if the viewport is set to lower than 400 pixels. What do I have my viewport set to? I've completely forgotten. I don't even know how to, like, see that. Is it under project settings? Run. Boot splash. Oh. I can do a splash image. I have one of those already. Where did I put that? I'm getting distracted, but this is important. Ooh. I'm looking at things on my other screen. Don't worry, you're not missing much. Where the hell did I put this? Ah, splash screen. Hehe. Here's my splash screen. I'm gonna put it into game. Let's put it under images for now. Probably gonna have to subdivide this. There's gonna be a bunch of images in here, and like I have fonts and bots and splash screens all in the same spot. It's probably gonna get a little crowded. What does use filter mean? Applies linear filtering and scaling image recommended for high resolution artwork. Okay, I do want to use filter. It is high res. I just want to see if that shows up when I press play now. Oh, it's way too big. How do make bigger or smaller? Advanced settings? Oh, minimum display time. I want it to be 200 milliseconds? 2000 milliseconds. 2 seconds. Hey, there it is. Cool. I have a splash screen in my game. Nice. That was surprisingly easy. Wait, why is that showing the older... Oh, right, there was a thing that I broke it somehow. How did I break this? I wasn't really, like... I was really tired when I was working on this yesterday. And So, demo scene. If I go to actionable, I think it's loading the right one. I can't see the name of this though. Go in file system. Yeah, I mean, it's the right background color. Why isn't it loading? Actionables. Show dialogue. Dialogue balloon. That's not right. That's not right. I don't understand. It's showing the wrong thing. Don't get it. I don't think I need this. So this is the balloon. It's under dialogue balloon. And when I open this balloon scene, it shows the correct font up here and background color that I chose. I am Confucian. The trigger I don't need to worry about. Is it getting confused because I have it open? That seems weird. There it is. I guess it must have been. That's a weird bug. That's a weird bug. I had the example balloon open and it was using that. And as soon as I closed it, let me just see if that's recreatable. No, I want to open up the scene. Right? So this is the example scene. Oh, is it because I'm running it with it open? Yeah, and now it goes back to that. And if I close this out and run it. That's so weird. Okay, well, I mean, at least now I know what's happening. I don't know how I would have figured that out without just blind guessing, honestly. Like, I have no idea how that bug happens. Oh, hello. Thank you, Montez, for the follow. Yeah, that was a weird bug. That was a weird bug. I don't know. All right. So what I want to do is I want to make this a little nicer. I'm gonna get this away from the edges a little bit. So can I just move this? Can I just scale? Whoa, too far. I don't want to scale this. No, because that's gonna make it squished. I do want to see if I can get the text to be a little closer together, because I know it's supposed to be like a monospace font, but there's like a lot of space between each font, between each character. Visible ratio. Oh, yeah, I want that whole thing. Sorry, I'm just messing with my OBS real quick. How do I clear this? Sorry, I was messing with chat before and it keeps getting distracting that like I have a whole bunch of stuff in the chat. I'm like, ooh, did I miss something? No, that was just me. Okay. I'm a little anxious, I guess. Anyways, where do we go? How do? Because I thought if I looked at this scene, it would give me kind of information, but it doesn't. It just kind of. Like, all right, so they move the VBox container, but how? Because if I click on VBox container here and try to change the transform, it's like, no. Properties for positioning. So I go to the container. This node is a child of regular control. Use anchors and rectangle for positioning. What did I just do? Anchors and rectangle. Okay. Oh. Hey, okay. I just can't be scaling it, I guess. Is that right? Is that gonna... Man, I wish I could get like a precise number. Is it under transform? Position. Okay. Do 15, 15. And then the size, so we're gonna look at the size of the panel. 1240 by 164. So we're gonna make this 1210 by 134. There we go. So now we have a 15 pixel border around the text. Yee. See how that looks. Oh, god damn it. Close this out so it doesn't mess with the text. Hey. Alright. So I'm gonna try to make these a little closer together. Right? And I want to swap out this font with a better font. So how do I make this have less space? Less space, that's what I want. I want some less space. How to make less space? Alright, I don't see it. It's not coming to me. Deuce. Character width. Theme, overwrite fonts. Font variation, you can use extra spacing glyph. Okay. Theme, override fonts. So it does not give me an option because of the type of font I'm using. Alls. Godot. So I want to use a bitmap font. X server. This is 4.3. What version am I running? .2. Herm. Okay, 4.2 is still good. How do... Interesting. Character width determined automatically from texture or set uniformly with monospace option. This is for 3.4. See if this is available in a higher version. No. Oh, here it is. Let's try it. Doesn't hurt. If I don't like it, I can uninstall it. Okay. I think I have to... I think I have to enable it or something? Add on in the plugins tab. Yep. Where is plugins tab? Am I blind? In the project settings. Plugins, okay. Plugins, enable. Whoops. Okay. Where does that go? File system doc, right click and select new resource. Okay. Right click and select new resource. Create new resource. Okay. Walk. What to do? How do okay. So this I now have the font in there. Now what? Does this just allow it to be treated like a normal font? I'm so confused. Let's go look at this theme. I still don't see the ability to adjust the characters. Okay, I get it. I get it. There's another. So if I go to here, texture font. Hey. Right, okay. So get rid of this. Guessing we have to re-import this. Not that. This. Import as texture 2D. Fine. Hey, here we go. Now I have to go find all of the ASCII characters. Okay, so this is supposed to be 32 by 30. Ugh. Okay. So we're going to start with those two. I wish I could read this. Is that a double quote? What is that? Can I make this bigger? It's this checkerboard behind it. Alright, there's two different types of numbers. I forgot about that. That's definitely that. I'm going to go with double quote for now. What is that? A dash? Can't tell what that is. I mean, one of these has got to be a period, right? That's a colon. I'm just going to go with period. And that looks like a dash. What even is this? Don't know. That's definitely a dash. That's... What is that? So we have space. That was definitely double quote. That is a apostrophe. Okay. So it goes ampersand apostrophe. Then we have, man, I can't read this stuff either. there one that's a live text dang table, please? Thank you. Printable characters, space. Okay, what I really just need is to like copy this whole bit all the way down. Actually, I'm just going to copy the whole table. Don't look at my drive. Let's do this. Because I can't make sense of anything. What is this? It's just a plus. All right, so now I can copy all of this all the way up to here. And I can, whoop, whoop. Oh no. Put it into a text file. Remove all of the return marks. Got VS Code over here. Bloop. All right, so now we have a single string, no return marks. We can put it in here. Man, that was more work than I wanted it to be. All right, we're just gonna say the first two lines don't matter, right? And then we've got, oh, this is off. Quote dot. What? Why did I put 4 quotes in a row? It's dumb. What? Oh, it's because it ignored the apostrophe. Okay. Plus. Okay. Add the slash. We hit return. Now that all works. Add the question mark. Hit return. Now that all works. And then at, what is this, O? It's not good when I can't even read my own font. And then the underscore. And O. A, okay. Cool. All right. We now have this font set up, I think. Okay. Then we go to settings. So we can make it monospaced. Let's see how it looks if it's not monospaced. What happens if we go back to our scene, back to the character label? Ooh, how do I make this less big? Okay. And then we change out interesting. It's not showing anything. I mean, it should be showing something, right? I literally have like dozens of lines of text telling me to ignore the errors. It's weird. Man, I'm spending way more time on this stupid font. Kind of don't want to deal with it anymore. I'm just gonna go download a font. Hey, fonts. Where do the fonts go? To font. Here we go. Apparently I bookmarked horror. Ooh, I like this one. It's kind of cool. I could probably use this as like a Pixelari, as like a 100% free, good. As like the text font. Make it more readable. That does look cool. Free for personal use. No, we want 100% free. Let's go to I could have swore there was a filter. Yeah, whatever. I mean, that's not really pixel font though. It does look cool. That doesn't look like pixels. That looks like stretched pixels. I don't like it. That could be nice. 100% free? Sure. That's alright. I don't like it that it doesn't have a free thing there. This is good. Pixel down. The faces. Ooh, I kind of like that. It's nice and bold. Free for personal use. Dang. Dang, 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 diggity, dang, dang. That's weird that the T goes down like that. Demo. Donationware. That go. That looks too weird. Kimco. BitBot. I can't read that. How is that a B? That's weird. What is this? Ooh, it's like a Wild West. Oh, Pixel Cowboy. These look like the wanted signs. Like that. Ooh. That's alright. For personal use. That one's nice. Pixel Western. And this one's 100% free. Why does it have one comment on it? It's not a Western game, so I feel like if I were to put it in there, it would look more Western. And I don't want that as the theme. Minimal pixel demo. Like that. I'm just giving myself options because I can't have the font that I want, right? Which is the font that I made, I spent time on. So if I'm going to use someone else's font, I want to make sure it's the best fitting font for the job, right? I'm also probably going to be using this as like the title theme and the splash stuff, and I want it to look good. Alright, well, get out of here. Get out of here. See, this is why I like having multiple copies of things. Like, I just deleted that image. If that was the only image that I had, like if I didn't have another backup in Drive, like that would be gone, and I wouldn't be able to get it back, which would suck. All right, let's go get the downloaded files. Can I open a file manager? Thank you. Clip. 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 This one came with a README. Always read the README. Okay. Cool. let's go in and update the theme. Oh, I didn't like that. It's real wonky. That's nice. Like that. It's also nice. I don't have a preference. That one's nice and big and bold. I think of the three that we've looked at so far, I think I like that one the best. See, now that's too squiggly. We might use that somewhere in the game, but not for the character name. I think that's just that's what I think the default. Alright, so we're going to change this to quick load. Nope. That one. Big bold. Alright. And then if we go back into the balloon theme, was it panel? Yes, the panel theme. What's that? I guess it must have been. Does this have a theme? No. So I definitely futz with something on here. So if I add a font, and I'm gonna say, I think it was Pixelari. Quick load. That does not seem to have changed anything. I really need to look into how these themes work. The default font, I think I want to be Pixelari. There we go. Default font size. Nope, bigger. There you go. There we go. And then if I go into this character label, default font, we're going to say this is working? Oh, I can change it down here. There we go. See how this looks. Hey, that looks nice. Okay, so now what I want to do is shift this to the side and put a face here and have that be dynamically loaded based on who's talking, right? So I want to see if they have this already, because that sounds kind of complicated. And I don't want to have to figure it all out on my own. First, we save. Also, I haven't pushed a commit on this in a minute. So let's do that. Oh yeah. Oh boy, look at all these. Oh. Why? It really didn't want to be on this screen for whatever reason. Yeah, look at all these changes. Why did I change anything in this? Let me discard that. Oh right, I don't need the texture fonts. I can get rid of that. Can I uninstall? No. Is it just delete? Okay, so we now have a balloon. Samples. Where did all this stuff come from? That must have been added by the pixel font. Alright, so now we have dialogue, which is fine. We have all the fonts that I loaded, including the README. Alright. What is this particles? Adding fonts. Splash. Green. Don't think I actually need this stuff. Discard. I do need to keep this because this is the theme. I need to rename this theme though. Okay, fonts. Custom. What is this? Custom. Okay. Get done. I feel like adding a splash screen and... Wait, did it die? The hell? What just happened? Uh-oh. I broke something. What's worse is it's not giving me an error. Oh, it's missing that. Why does it need that? What? Are you kidding me? Where is this particle scene? And why does it think it needs it? Alright, well, apparently I needed an empty particle scene for something. Alright, you know what? That's good enough for now. I'm gonna call it there. It's working. Looks good. Yeah, words. This is why I need to stop. Short stream tonight. And I'm just tired. Just want to stop. So, thanks for hanging out. And I'll see you later.